Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about introduction and installation of Python. So Python is invented by Guido van Rossum in 1980s. Python is an interpreted and high-level language and dynamically typed. So it is interpreted language because the Python code is made up of, Python is programmed in C by using C language, and it is a mixable language. That is, we can also code with Python in C language also. So it is also called as mixable language, and it is easy to use. Python is more easy to learn compared to the languages like C, C++, and Java, C#. So it is easy to learn and any beginner can start to learn it. We just start installing the Python software. Here I am going to install Python software and also Visual Studio Code editor. So let's open the Chrome, and here you can just search Python. So it open the official Python website. Here you click on the downloads, and here you can click here. From this you find this official Python releases. So click on the latest version, and by scrolling down you can find here the based on your operating system you can download your Python version, either Windows, Mac, etc. And in Linux it will come in the built-in, so there is no need of installation. And next, just we will, after installation, if you open the Python, it just look like this. This is the Python shell, and here we can program in a single line like print hello. So when we run it, we get the output in next line. So this is how this shell works. Or if you want to get the save, or if you want to run our code in the Python file, so just click on new file, and in this new file you just save by using hotkey Ctrl S for the save, or you can also find in here file and save. So here you can save the file name with file extension as .py. So it is a Python extension file, so your file will be created, and here you can start a coding in multiple lines. So the output for this program will be displayed in the Python shell as just we see now. So when we run it, we can press run either here, or you can use the shortcut key as F5. So I will use the hotkey as F5. So we save it and run it. So we get the output as hello world in the Python shell. So now we will jump into the Visual Studio Code editor. So go to the Chrome and type Visual Studio Code, and it open the official website of Visual Studio Code, and you can find the downloads. So here you can download based on your operating system, whether Windows, Linux or Mac OS. After downloading, you can just install, you can open it, and the interface look like this just. And here you can learn this how to create, or this tutorial or anything provided by Visual Studio Code. And just you click on the file, new file, and here you can name our file as either C language or C++ or HTML, Java, CSS or Python or text files, etc. You can save in many formats. So hotkey is similarly Ctrl S, and you can save here as .py. In order to create the Python file, you can use .py extension after the file name and click on enter. So here you can find that our Python file is created, and here you just can type and code. So in order to run, you can press the play button which is appearing here. You can click on it and click on run Python file in terminal. So this is the terminal window. So in this panel you can just find that hello world is printed. So this is how it works in the Visual Studio Code. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.